Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how I got to change a light skin looking image to a dark skin. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So at first, what am I going to do first is to duplicate the background layer. So I used to say this: before you start anything, you need to duplicate the background layer, which I will either drag it down here. Let me just undo this, or I'll just press my command J on the keyboard to duplicate the layer. Whichever works for you, it's fine. So once I'm done with that, the next thing to do is that I'm going to use the curve right here at the adjustment. So this curve plays a very important role when it comes to changing this image from looking light, from a light skin to a dark skin. So what am I going to do? It's simple. Just pay close attention. I'll click on the curves right there. So after clicking on the curve, I'll now come right to this point. Then I'll take it up. Then I'm making the image look overexposed, but you shouldn't worry about that. I'll get to fix that. So once you take this curve to brighten this image, you can see it's looking overexposed. So the next thing for me to do is to come to the black and white, and this black and white is really important. So I've clicked on the black and white, so I don't need to adjust anything right here. So what am I going to do next is to change the blending mode, which I'm just going to change it to multiply. So you guys can see it's looking dark skin, but it doesn't just finish here. So after doing that, I'll come and reduce the opacity of that black and white to like 80 or 81. It's fine. So you guys can see how it's looking now. So the next thing for me to do is to click on the color balance. So once I click on the color balance, I will just play around with some settings on the mid-tones. I did not select the highlight. So if I come here and press it, I did not use the shadows or the highlight. I'm going to use only the mid-tones. So I'm just going to click on the mid-tones. Then I'll now play with this. I'll take it to this other area. So for the magenta, I'll just add a bit, just small. Then I'll add blue to this image. So you guys can see, let me show you the before. So this is the before and after. Or let me just close the three adjustments I've done. So this is the curves, and this is the black and white, and this is the color balance. So the next thing for me to do is to come and click on the selective color right here. So on the selective color, once you click on it, just go to this color, change it to red. You need to first of all adjust the red before going to any other color. So I'm just going to adjust just the red at first, just like this. I'll not play with these settings, just like this. Then I'll add magenta to it. Then for the yellow, no, I'll add a little bit of black to it. So once I'm done with that first settings, that is when I can choose any other color to work on. So I'm just going to select the yellow. So once I click on the yellow, I'll now take this adjustment to this other side. I'm just playing around. So I'll add magenta just so I can have that oiling skin, just like this. I'll add magenta to it, and also I'll now add yellow, so I'll add a little bit of black to it. So after adding that right there, I don't need to use the level at this point. So once I'm done with these settings right here, I'll come back to this curve right here. So this curve, once I get to the curve, I'll now come and reduce it a bit till when I see it okay, because I don't want the image to look really dark. So I'll just leave it at this point. So I'll just group all the adjustment I've done. I'll just group it. Then I'll just name this group dark skin. So once I name this dark skin, I'll still come back to the group again. I'll just come to the, I'll just go back to the red again. After I'm done, after I'm done setting the curves, at first I added the curve to be overexposed. So at some point I went and tamed it down. So I'll come back to the red, then add magenta to it a bit, just a bit. Then I'll just go and click the yellow again. Then I'll add this, then also add the magenta to it again. So let me show you guys the before. So this is how the image was looking, and see how it's looking now. So this is the before and this is the after. So this is how I got to change a light skin looking image to a dark skin in Photoshop. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also leave a like on this video if it's helpful. But for now, I hope to see you in my next video. Stay tuned.